Are you a first-time buyer? I understand that buying your first home is exciting. It can also be the source of many questions, even after you decided on the home of your dreams. That's why I provide a first-time homebuyer's inspection. It's the same as my standard home inspection, which means that I'll check the home's visible and accessible structure, systems, and components, and deliver a written report with photos. But this inspection also includes a special consultation where I'll go over your responsibilities as a new homeowner. I'll help you understand the condition of the home now, as well as how all of its components and systems work together for their maximum efficiency and service life. I'll also show you the location of safety and emergency shutoff valves and switches, and I'll educate you about important maintenance items that must be addressed seasonally and annually. Let me help take the guesswork out of your role as a new homeowner with my first-time homebuyer's inspection.